I think that I am gonna do the thing. Yeah. It's just that I have the perfect idea that the thing would work for. It would go really well with this, and it's time. It's time to do the thing. I don't think I can resist the urge to do the thing. But I see it in my head. It's there. I guess I should probably focus on these pants right now. I mean, all I need to do is finish them. I need to complete the waistband, and that's all actually. Do some fitting, and that's all. But, I don't know. Alright, yeah, I'll do it. Yep, I am going to do the thing. If you haven't noticed, this is a part of the project where I completely abandon everything to start another one entirely. It's okay, it's gonna be fine. We'll come back to this. It's gonna all go together. It's just pick up my shit off the floor and go. Yes, my toxic trait is chaos. I'm just gonna pretend like it's not an hour later and I have absolutely no focus today. But yeah, I realized it was the fall equinox and I needed to set my attention for fall fashion, so there it is. Anyway, yes, we're making a vest. A vest, don't worry about it. I can make a vest like nobody's business. It's gonna be totally fine. Anyway, here we go. I like to just, typically easy patterns I'll just draw directly onto the fabric because, who cares? I don't like wasting paper, so this is a good way to do it. Vests are super easy. They are just 3 rectangles with curves to fit your arms. And then we'll take it to the dress form and fit it a little bit with darts and stuff. But other than that, yeah, it's gonna be really easy. The inside lining is the same fabric as the pants, so I think that would look really cute with the pants. You get where I'm going with this? You see why this is a necessary deviation from our main project, right? You understand now. Okay, now I'm just a mess. I then use my ruler to make these dashed lines. It just only because it makes me feel cool and like I know secrets about sewing. So, that's all. Whatever. I then go ahead and cut this pattern piece out, and it's what I'm going to use as the pattern for, the next piece. For the other side of the vest, just lay it on top there and cut it out. Yep, I then take these 2 pieces, and out of frame, sorry, overlay them slightly and make one big rectangle for the back piece. it looks like this when I'm done. I'm laying it on top of the floral print that I have left over to create the lining of the vest. So that way there's a little pop of the pant pattern inside the vest. It's gonna be cute. Yeah. It's dress form time, so now we just take our oversized rectangles and we start molding them to our dress form. Please ignore how ratchet she looks. She's old. Just shh. Don't worry about it. She works fine. Anyway, we are taking some darts out in the front. We're taking what looks like a collar piece up there off as well. Then we're taking it in at the sides. And here you can see I'm playing with like these cool darts. And where am I going? Where did I go? And yeah, so eventually we get back and we're gonna take off the excess fabric around the sleeve here and continue taking it in. I was playing with those center darts, but I actually, as you will see here very soon, nope, you won't. Yeah, so I ended up just going with a center back seam instead of those darts to save time and a lot of effort on my part, because clearly I can't focus. And now to mark the fabric that I'm going to remove, I just take my ruler and I lay it against where I pinned and make straight lines. Maybe I'm not an expert, but I mean, this is a super easy way to do it, so it's always worked for me. So then, Jesus. All right, so once we've got those lines marked out, we're going to just kind of darken them, straighten them out, and give ourselves a 1/2 inch seam allowance on either side, right there, and then cut it out and just cut out this extra fabric because we don't need it. Then we're going to line those two pieces up like that. We'll put those to the side, and since we're drawing with our ruler, we're going to go ahead and do the darts in much the same way as we did the back seam. A dart is just fabric taken out at an angle to fit a piece to the body. So what we're doing is we're going to measure and make sure that it's even on both sides. Draw in that triangle and then remove the fabric when we sew it. And so before I lost my focus one more time, we just went ahead and sewed that shit together. And boom. Yeah, like I said, vest me, nobody's business. The bottom seam is still open so that I can add some pockets maybe, or fit it up a little bit more if I want to. I think I might shorten it, and that's about it. Now I can get back to these little pants. Oh, look how cute they're gonna be together. Yes, now I can get ready to do the pants. Seriously?